Namaste, I am Dr. Keshavamurthy, Professor and HOD, Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur. I recently went through 11th edition of Vasudevan textbook. So I have been studying Vasudevan textbook from my UG and PG days. This Vasudevan 11th edition contains early clinical exposure, outcome module and artificial intelligence topics. And they have given a complementary copy which contains frequently asked questions, reasoning type of questions, scenario based questions, MCQs, OSPI based questions, and also there is a chatbot, okay, Dr. Voice, which is a student friendly chatbot. It gives topics which you can ask any topic from Vasudevan textbook, Biochemistry. It will give the content mainly from Vasudevan textbook, okay, not from Google like that. So it also, you can ask any MCQs, it will give the right, wrong answer. So it is very student friendly, and I highly recommend this textbook for the first MBBS students. Okay, everything is according to the NMC based curriculum.